product you can create as a bookpreneur is coaching and consulting services. Coaching and consulting services turns out to be one of the most lucrative also product you have as a bookpreneur. How does coaching works for bookpreneur? One, define your coaching services. There are different types of coaching. Decide whether you want to offer one-on-one coaching, group coaching, or a combination of both. For me, I do both. In Kingdompreneurs Club, there are those who join one-on-one coaching, which is the alpha level. They pay higher, so I have more time devoted to them one-on-one. Those are maybe executive members of the community or the society that do not want to mingle with other people, so they pay more for such services. And then I have a session for a group coaching where I have over 100 people at a time come into my coaching class, and then I coach them on what they need to do. Coaching packages, you create different packages, e.g. basic, standard, and premium level with varying levels of support, duration, and pricing. Okay, session structure, you plan the structure of your coaching session. Example, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly sessions. Okay, for me, I do weekly for my group coaching, and then, monthly for the executive coaching, because that I could spend hours taking one-on-one coaching with my clients. Develop your coaching curriculum. Content, outline the key topics and goals for each coaching session. This may include writing techniques, publishing processes, marketing strategies, or business planning. You must create something that helps them better themselves as digital entrepreneurs. You must make them better than who they came. Some of them already have knowledge in digital business. They have skills, but you also need to create things that whoever joins you must learn something new to scale up their digital skills and ability. Resources, prepare any supporting material such as worksheets, templates, checklists, or guides to provide to your client. Set up your coaching platform. Scheduling tools, use scheduling software like Calendly or Acuity to allow clients to book sessions easily. They should be able to book sessions with you easily. Communication tools, decide on the communication method. For example, Zoom, Skype, Google Meet for your coaching session. You could use, whichever software you think will serve you better. Payment processing, set up a system to accept payment through platforms like PayPal, Stripe, or through your website. Promote your coaching services. Social media, use social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter to reach audience and share valuable content that highlight the benefits of your coaching. Email marketing, build an email list that send regular newsletter with tips, success stories, and offers related to your coaching services. Webinars and workshops, host free or paid webinars and workshops to demonstrate your expertise and attract potential clients. Deliver the coaching as advertised. Initial consultation, offer a free or discounted initial consultation to understand the client needs and goal to explain how your coaching can help them. Regular session, conduct regular coaching session according to the agreed schedule, providing personalized advice, feedback, and action plans for your potential clients. Support and accountability. Offer additional support between sessions through email, messaging apps, or private community group to keep clients accountable and motivated. The fifth product you can create as a bookpreneur is workbooks and companion guide. What is workbook? A workbook is an educational resource that combines informational content with interactive exercises, activities, and prompts designed to help users apply and practice what they have learned. Workbooks are often used in conjunction with textbooks, courses, or standalone as tools for personal development, skill building, and reinforcing concept through hand-on engagement. How does workbook become a product or income generation to a bookpreneur? Number one, through direct sales. Direct sales can help you sell your workbook. Offer the workbook as a standalone product on your website through e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, or digital marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy in a digital version. Sell digital version, PDF, EPUB that customers can download and print themselves. through building with main book. Bundle the workbook with your main book as a discounted rate, encouraging customers to purchase both. Exclusive offers. Create special offers where the workbook is only available as part of a bundle with your main book, adding perceived value. Through licensing, license the workbook to schools, universities, or training programs that can use it as part of their curriculum. These are corporate clients that you have. License the workbook to corporations for use in employee training and development programs. Number 6, organizing conferences, seminars, and bootcamp. Does conference really produce income for a bookpreneur? Is it a yes or a no? The answer is capital letter yes. Why? Examples of ways conferences generate income for a bookpreneur. Ticket sales. Charge attendees for entry, either through general admission or tiered ticket pricing for different levels of access. Number 2, sponsorship. Secure sponsorship deals from companies and organizations that want to promote their product or services to your audience. Number 3, merchandise sales. Sell books, workbooks, and other merchandise at the event. 4, VIP packages. Offer VIP experiences with exclusive benefits such as private meet sessions, special seating, and additional resources. Workshops and add-on. Conduct additional paid workshop or master classes as part of the conference agenda. Exhibitor fees. Charge businesses and individuals for exhibitor booths or tables to showcase their product and services. Digital access. Set virtual ticket for online attendees or provide access to recorded session post-conferences. The 7th product you can create as a bookpreneur is blogging about your product or about your books. Leveraging on blogging as a side product for a bookpreneur can also be a major avenue for revenue generation. Number 1, ad revenue. Earn money through displaying ads on your blog, using platforms like Google AdSense, or by partnering with brands for direct advertising. Secondly, affiliate marketing. Promote product or services relevant to your audience and earn a commission for every sale made through your affiliate links. Number 3, sponsored ads. Get paid by companies to write blog posts that feature or review their product and services. And 4, digital product. Sell your own digital products such as ebooks, online courses, or printable resources directly through your blogs. Number 5, membership subscription. Offer exclusive content, resources, and community access to subscribers for a recurring fee through a membership program. And number 8 product you can create as a bookpreneur is webinar. Okay, ways that webinar become a product for income generation to a bookpreneur is through paid registration. Let's say you host a webinar and you charge attendees a fee to participate in the webinar, providing valuable content that justifies the cost. By that, you are already making money. Secondly, you sell products at that webinar. You can use the webinar to promote and sell your books, your courses, your workbooks, or other products to the attendees. And number 3, you can use sponsorship. Partner with companies or brands that pay to sponsor the webinar in exchange for promotion during the event. And number 4, affiliate marketing. Promote affiliate product during the webinar to earn a commission on any sales made through your referral links. And 5, membership upsell. Offer webinar attendees the opportunity to join a membership program or subscription service for ongoing access to exclusive content and additional webinars. This is where we'll be ending the module 6. I hope it's very, very educative and has helped you to understand the different products you can create as a bookpreneur to start maximizing your profit in this digital business. Thank you for watching. Join me at the module 7 as we proceed to another level of this Bookpreneur Millionaire Blueprint. I won't stop until you become that millionaire you dreamt of in digital business.
Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next training. Want to go deeper? Get access to the full course, step-by-step modules, and downloadable resources. Just click the link below. And don't forget to join our community of entrepreneurs and creators, where you'll get support, mentorship, and real success stories. The links are right below. See you inside.